My cat is obsessed with watching the Grinch. She would yell at us until eventually we put on the TV. She would come get us and lead us to the couch.
Okay, come on. Show me the way. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's go. Get yourself situated.
Ella always wants to watch movies.
Do you want to watch television? Okay. No, it's going. No worries. Okay. Yep. Situate yourself. I'll pick something.
I'm sorry. I'll pick one.
If she's interested in a movie, she will definitely sit down and kind of look at it. One day we put on the Grinch and she was in love.
Ella.
It's only the Grinch with Benedict Cumberbatch. We've tried the Jim Carrey version and we've tried like the original cartoon and she will not watch it. I don't want to be dramatic, but I honestly feel that I have watched the Grinch well over 200 times. It's year round that we watch this.
I paused it. I'm so sorry. I'll put it back on.
Why are you yelling?
There was one night where I was making dinner. She was screaming her head off.
Stop yelling, silly.
The Grinch was the one thing that made her calm down. So for Christmas this year, we decided to ask Santa for something extra special for Ella.
Miss Ella, do you know who that is? Do you see your friend up there?
She was rather overwhelmed. Ella got catnip toys, a blanket, and cutout, and I stuffed Grinch.
You like the Grinch blanket?
Ella was definitely surprised at all the Grinch gifts that she was given this year.
Oh, you giving him a little sniff? Oh, it's little toys. Look, this one says Grinchy. Oh, if you like that one, I'll put that right there next to you.
Ella definitely has a very big heart, like the Grinch. She's just the most sweet thing ever. Really happy that we could make her happy. And now we can watch the Grinch with her Grinch toys. Even if I don't want to watch the Grinch for the 50th time this year. But you know, I do what I gotta do for my children, so.
Get yourself situated.